Hi Matthias, I decided to shoot this video just to share my experience on building a table saw. I bought this circular saw to cut some opening in my garage ceiling to install garage opener, but I decided why not to make it possible to put it on a table, so I have a table saw and a circular saw at once. So I chose this skill saw because of these bend ends. Why I need them, I will show you later. To build my table, I used few tools. This is a jigsaw and a Dremel. Easy. First thing you need to do is to cut an opening, shaping the saw itself, and I cut it in two pieces of wood. So I put these mending plates and a couple of wooden blocks to hold them together, and it does the job pretty much well. And also I found these table legs, which I use as my table base. Okay, these wooden blocks are actually go between the table base and this wooden block, and they fit pretty tight. Just to hold it. Okay, now I took my Dremel with this cutting bit, side cutting bit, I don't know the exact name, and this attachment, like a router attachment or something like this, and I actually ground these shapes, so my bent edges of the circular saw can fit inside. So it's like this fits here, and this fits here, and so on. Now I do not need to disassemble the saw to install it here. And yeah, by the way, this is very complicated cuts, but my first impression was, hey, just drill a couple of holes in a circular saw and mount it underneath the table. Just cut in a slot for a saw and that's it. But this way you sacrifice the depth of cut by the amount of your table width. So I decided not to do this. Okay, let's install the table saw. And it installs pretty easily. Like this. Oops. Forgot my power cord. So, okay. And that's it. As you can see, it mounts flat against the table surface. So now what I need to do is to open the saw, and I do this by a couple of wires to fix the shield so it doesn't open. I also use the same Dremel attachment to grind some guiders sled or something like this. And then we need something to close this opening. So I'm using this just piece of birch or something like this. To install this we need to lower the blade, kind of fit it inside, and I need 2 hands. So, okay, now it closes this opening, and I can cut some small pieces, which is very handy. Next thing is the fence, kind of fence. I made it just of a couple of pieces of wood, just nailed to this piece, and there is a nut trapped inside this piece and a handle. I cut this using the same Dremel with another attachment, which is circular cutting attachment. It fits onto Dremel with Dremel bit right here, and you fix the center of your shape and do the cut. So I put it on a bolt, and this allows me to fix this fence pretty much against the table. And I still have ability to, oops, sorry, it's an edited video. I don't have any video editors or something like this, so I still can change the depth of cut, and this saw has ability to change the angle of cut. It's not very easily accessible, but it's a rare used feature, so you need just to unscrew this screw and change the angle. That's it. And well, looks good, isn't it? And another thing is, basically you need to wrap a piece of wire or something like this around this trigger, so this saw is always on. I decided it's a bad idea, and I want to have a control over it. So I bought this pedal, which you might think very good idea. You can use it for free. With this pedal I can turn it on and off wherever I want. Let's give it a go, shall we? Oops, wrong wire. Let's put it inside. It just works. Hope you find it interesting, and maybe some other guys can build it. Well, I like this design. See ya. Bye.